हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला अनि दायाँतिरको घण्टी चिन्हलाई पनि थिच्नुहोस् ताकि सबैभन्दा पहिला तपाईले हाम्रो भिडियो अपलोड भएको जानकारी पाउनुहुनेछ। धन्यवाद।
www.pokharavoice.com Pokhara Voice presents.
Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to ask different sorts of questions. Asking question is part of our everyday life. आज हामी तपाईहरुसँग प्रश्न कसरी सोध्ने? As you know that we are trying to communicate in English. We are trying to speak in English. First of all, I like to talk with you about the idea of asking question using where. Where को प्रयोग गरेर प्रश्न कसरी बनाउने? Where भन्दा बित्तिकै ठाउँ भन्ने तपाईहरुले बुझ्नु होला। Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? तपाई कहाँबाट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Where do you live? तपाई कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ? Where did you meet him? Where did you meet him? उसलाई तपाईले कहाँ भेट्नुभयो? Where did you meet him? उसलाई तपाईले कहाँ भेट्नुभयो? Where did you keep the book? Where did you keep the book? त्यो पुस्तक कहाँ राख्नु भएको छ? Where did you buy vegetables? फलफूल तरकारी फलफूल तपाईले कहाँ किन्नुभयो? Where is your mother now? तपाईको आमा कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where is your mother now? तपाईको आमा कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where did you keep the key? चाबी कहाँ राख्नु भएको छ? अनि त्यसपछि Where are you now? Where are you now? तपाई अहिले कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you working? तपाईले कहाँ काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? From where do you purchase the books? From where do you purchase the books? कहाँबाट तपाई किताब किन्नुहुन्छ? Where are you living? कहाँ बस्दै हुनुहुन्छ? From where did you purchase your suit? From where did you purchase your shoes? कहाँबाट तपाईले आफ्नो जुत्ता किन्नुभयो? From where did you purchase your shoes? In such a way you can talk about where. तपाईले यसरी where को बारेमा कुरा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Now I think it is the time to talk about the ideas of asking questions using when. When will they come? तिनीहरु कहिले आउने छन्? When will they come? तिनीहरु कहिले आउने छन्? When are you completing the computer course? When are you completing the computer course? Computer को कोर्स तपाईले कहिले कम्प्लिट गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? When is the next flight? अर्को फ्लाइट कहिले छ? When did you return from Kathmandu? When did you return from Kathmandu? काठमाडौँबाट कहिले फर्किनु भयो? When did you meet him? तपाईले उसलाई कहिले भेट्नुभयो? When are you going to Chitwan? तपाई चितवन कहिले जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ? When did you join this course? यो कोर्समा तपाई कहिले जोइन गर्नुभयो? When did you read your lesson? तपाईले आफ्नो लेसन कहिले पढ्नुभयो? When will you come here? तपाई यहाँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? When did you meet Sagar? तपाईले सागरलाई कहिले भेट्नुभयो? When is your birthday? तपाईको जन्मदिन कहिले हो? When is your birthday? तपाईको जन्मदिन कहिले हो? यसरी हामी when को प्रयोग गरेर प्रश्न सोध्न सकिन्छ।